Hey everyone! So in this video today, I'm talking about how to transform your 3D reality. And I'm talking about if you're not satisfied with your 3D reality, of course. If you are looking at your 3D reality and you are not happy, right, you can change that, right? Because your 3D reality is the thoughts and beliefs and emotions from the past, okay? So anything that you've been thinking and feeling and believing in the past is now in front of you in the 3D, right? And so you can change that. And I don't mean getting into the 3D, trying to control it, trying to force it, none of that. Transforming the 3D it takes you to go within yourself. Because you see, your 3D reality out there is just a projection of what's happening in inside yourself, right? Your 3D reality is like a mirror to your belief systems inside, okay? And so whatever is happening in that 3D, you created it. So you can change it, okay? And the way to do that, like I said, is not to start trying to, control the 3D and get everyone to conform into the way you want them and all that kind of thing. No. You need to go in yourself, in your belief system, in your mind, in your imagination, back into yourself and ask yourself, what do I want to see in the 3D reality? Then imagine it happening, and then believing it, and then watching your 3D reality transform. And you really just having to go inwards, not outwards. See, we've been taught to go outwards, that everything happens from out to in. No. It happens from within and then it happens without, right? We've just been taught the wrong way around. We haven't been taught how to connect to our creative power. And our creative power is about going inwards in ourselves, getting clear on what we want to create, imagining it, and then seeing it physicalize in our 3D reality. That's how we transform it. That is how we transform the 3D reality, by going within. Let me know if that makes sense. Let me know if you've got any questions in the comments, right? Because this is a big topic. Because you might be thinking every day, I hate this life, I hate my relationship, I hate my job, I hate my life in all the ways, I haven't got enough money, like all the things. You can change that. You can transform that. You're the powerful one. You're the creator of your reality, right? And the universe wants to experience life through you. And so what do you want to experience? What do you want to see in your 3D? And then focus your attention there as much as you can, okay? Now, there is a science to this as well, right? In quantum physics, we talk about possibilities. And when you concentrate and focus on one possibility that you want to create, right? You then physicalize that into your 3D reality in front of you. Because manifest means make, be, seen, right? So you're manifesting, so you're making that possibility be seen in your 3D reality, okay? You're so powerful. You truly are. Get that you're powerful, right? Connect with that power and start taking time out of your day to create, instead of just letting the 3D dictate how you feel, what you believe. No. It's not outwards in, it's inwards out. You need to get that around your head to actually say, okay, take some time out today to go within, get clear on what you want, and start pushing that out into the projection of your 3D reality. Let me know if this makes sense, like I said, and let me know if you're going to do this, because I want to know. Let me know if you've liked it, so hit the thumbs up so I know. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified of upcoming videos and readings that I do. And let me know if this has helped you. Seriously, the 3D is not your final destination. You can change it. You have the power to do it, so do it today. Alrighty, see ya.